You guys dancing? Careful. Whoa. Gentle, Eve. Oh, here, let me help you. Let me help you. Oh, there she is. Oh, she wants to lay down. Okay, Avery, let her lay. She wants to lay down, I guess. You want to tickle her? Oh, soft tickles. Soft tickles. Nora loves Avery tickles. Nora, you like that, don't you? Oh, soft. Hey, Nora. Hey, Nora. Do you love your sister? You love your sister so much. Avery, do you love your sister? Hey, Eve. Eve. Oh, what you doing? Moving all the toys, huh? Hey, Avery, I was asking you a question. Do you love your sister?
Yeah.
How much? That much? Wow. Be really gentle. I think she wants